Hi everyone, my name is Annie and welcome to my channel. Today I will share you just 5 minutes stretch after gym. I know everyone usually don't do it, but I like to do it because it feels you better after stretch. You stretch your muscles, you feel good after training, and also in the future it's less any gym injury or even like in daily life injury. So I will share with you just few exercises and you will try to do it and let me know it works for you or not. And one more life hack: don't forget about your breath. Usually we stretch on exhale because when you do, your muscles are getting relaxed, so you can stretch them a little bit more. That's a little bit trick. So first exercise, we bend down to our feet. It's okay if you not stretch enough and you cannot touch your feet, but it doesn't matter for now. So try to keep your knees straight and reach your toes, but your back should be always straight. Try to keep your back straight. Just like this. It's okay if you cannot reach the toes. It's okay. One more. You need to feel how stretched the back side of your legs. So let's do it again. Next exercise, if you can reach those or don't, we stretch in another way. So keep your back straight, go down and move your hips and knees one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can reach the floor, then you can do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't be in a rush. Just do it on your own speed. Next exercise, very easy, but also will stretch your back side of legs. So, for example, we start from right leg. Step forward and your toes up. This left leg, you a little bit like this. Then your hands behind your head. And with straight back, you go down and do just like this. I'm gonna show you on the back side. You move your chin, you try to reach your tiptoe by your chin. That's why you hold your back straight all the time. With this exercise, you will feel how stretched this part mostly. So let's do with left leg. Don't be in a rush, do in your own speed. Next one is very easy. You hold your feet. You can use some chair or wherever to hold it. Hold yourself for better balance. And you just move it closer to your hip. So you will feel how stretch this part. Left. Next exercise will stretch our back, especially this part. What we do, we go down, we hold our knees, we'll even hold more harder, and we round our back. Just like this. When you round your back and you try to move your spine like up, so you stretch this part and this part, and again, hold underneath. That's it. Next exercise is very easy. We will stretch our hands. This side. Don't move your shoulder out. So keep it on the same line. Try. And then move behind your head and stretch this part. And also don't hold head like this. Try to keep it straight. Okay. You feel how stretch this part. And here you feel like when you stretch your shoulder. So I hope this video was interesting and useful for you. See you next time. Bye bye.